Hi mga ka-people, attend nga kami ngayon ng kasal sa Lipa City, Batangas. Kaya naman kahit puyat at pagod dahil sa mga nakaraang events tulad ng Christmas at New Year, maaga pa rin kaming gumising. Kailangan kasi dapat maayos kaming tingnan, diba? Para makaiwas sa mga mata na mapanghusgang lipunan. Nakepe perfect. Kaya samahan nyo kami ni na mama at ng anak kong si Aldeo sa pagdalo sa kasal na ito. Ang kasal ay gaganapin nga pala dito sa San Antonio de Padua Parish na matatagpuan sa Bulbok, Lipa City, Batangas. Ito na yung pangalawang pagkakataon na pinili namin ng simbahan na ito na pagdausan ng kasal ng aming pamilya. Totoong maganda at maaliwalas kasi ang simbahan na ito. At ayan na nga, busy na sila sa pagchichismisan. Kaya let's meet my family and family friends. At eto na nga ang entourage. In fairness ha, ang ganda pala ng olive oil green na motif sa kasal. At yan na nga ang mga coordinators na busy sa pag-aasikaso ng magulong pamilya namin. At kitang-kita nyo naman si Aldeo na excited na. Eto naman ang konting pasilip natin sa ating beautiful bride of the day. Ang paglalakad ng anak kong si Aldeo kasama ang cousin niya na si Clark and cousin Trishelle.
There are times when I just want to look at your face with the stars in the night. There are times when I just want to feel your embrace in the cold of the I just can't believe that you were mine now. You were just a dream that I once knew. I never thought I would be right for you. I just can't compare you with anything in this world. You're all I need to be with forevermore. You were just a dream that I once knew. I never thought I would be right for you. I just can't compare you with anything in this world. You're all I need to be with forevermore.
Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for Mr. King Dieter and Mrs. Mandy May Cortez. Go, sir, go! See, go on! We have Aldeo Talentino. Palakpakan po natin.
Hello everyone. I am Aldeo, the son of DJ Onse, and I would like to thank Ate Mandy for taking care of me as early as 1 year old. Thank you you for being good at me, good ate to me. Thank you for being with me when my daddy was working. Thank you so much for being with me during those years and up to now. I know that you're going to be a good mother to your child because I already experienced it from you. This is a gift to you, Ate Monty and Kuya Kim. Some of it came from my own savings.